if you want to collaborate with other people's in your designs, then what you can do is you can add in collaborators to your design file as well. So to do that, on the top right hand side under the present menu, you can click on add collaborators, and then here what you can do is you can type out the email address of the person who you want to add as a collaborator. So over here, I'm going to go around and type in my second email address right here, tutortubechannel2@gmail.com, just like this. And then I can set the permission level for whether they can just present or they can edit out the Prezi design file right here. So I'm going to go around and add the option can edit and click on add. And what happens is that the invitation is sent out to the other person right here. So once you go around and press done, what happens is an invitation is sent out to the other person in that particular email so that they can edit out the file. So what the other person will receive is this right here, as you can see. So they will receive that like I have shared out, like someone else has shared out a file. So they can click on edit this design right here. And in their browser, they will be able to sign in right here. So I'm just going to go around and click on sign up right here, because with my second account, I haven't signed up for an account. So I'm just going to go around and sign up with this Google account right here. So once that is done, what happens is that they will be able to access out the file. So I'm just going to go around to the basic plan right here and skip all these steps right here, just like this. I'm an educator. I'm just going to go around and say others. And I'm going to say YouTube right here. Let me just go around and press next and get done with this. And then what happens is that we have access to Prezi right here, as you can see. So now what I'm going to do is in the Prezi design section, you can see the file shared by the other person. So I can click on edit and access out the file right here, as you can see. So the same file right here is being accessed by the other account that I shared with. So that is being loaded out. And here you can see that I can actually make changes to the design right here. And as I make changes, what happens is that it gets updated right here, as you can see. So I can go around over here. And as I make changes to this design right here, it changes over here as well. So I can just click and drag, and you can see that the other user can see the change as well. And on the top, you will be able to see what the other users are doing over here as well. So who are online, you will be able to see on the top over here. So just like this, you can see who is viewing the file and making the changes as well. And that is how you can add in collaborators to your designs using the Prezi Design Collaboration Adding feature. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.